Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I'm going to do a quick box opening of a Watchgang Black membership watch for August 2018. Before we do that, do a quick wrist check, see that I am wearing my Tsao Baltimore Founder Edition. Still absolutely one of my favorite watches. I've mentioned a couple of times that they have a new watch going to launch soon on Kickstarter. If you click the link and go check it out, you might even get a hat like I did from Tsao Baltimore. And just by signing up, I believe you are entered to win one of the new watches. Something really cool is they just recently added a couple different bezel options on the new diver, the new Torsk Diver, and they look pretty sweet. So like I said, my Tsao Baltimore, one of my hands down favorite watches to wear, and I am super excited about the new one. If you guys want to check it out, I will have the link below. Also stay tuned, I should be doing the giveaway for one of the Seiko watches I have, and I will link to that below as well. So this is pretty much your last chance, because I'll probably be doing that video in a little bit here, and that'll be your last chance to get on board with that. So we got August 2018 black tier. Got another one of their posters. The watch father. Pretty cool, lots of info. Let's take a look and see what we got. Now I actually do have two black tiers. One I think's showing up in a couple days. So we got a Charles Hutton. Let's take a look at this one. Alright. Not too bad looking. I don't know too much about Charles Hutton, so I'll be doing some research on this one. Japanese movement, Charles Hutton, stainless. Not a ton of info there, so I'll have to do some figuring out. What do you guys think of that one? Not too bad for a black tier watch. Obviously I'm guessing this one is a quartz movement, but I will do some figuring out, so stay tuned for a follow-up on this. I actually need to do a couple follow-ups for the black tiers I received last month. I think I'm going to do one video for those, since they were the exact same model, just different color combos. There it is on my wrist before I get it sized. I got roughly a 7-inch wrist, so it gives you a little bit of an idea. I'm not too sure that I actually like that copper or rose gold around those two subdials. I don't know if I like the looks of that. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.